If you've ever wanted to resize or optimize your videos without losing quality, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change resolution in Handbrake. Fast and easy. First, make sure you have Handbrake installed on your device. If not, head to the official Handbrake website and download it. The installation process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Once it's ready, open the program. Now, you'll need to import your video. You can do this in two ways. Either drag and drop your video directly into Handbrake, or click open source at the top and browse to select your file. Both methods work the same, so use whichever feels more convenient. Once your video loads, take a look at the presets panel on the right hand side. Handbrake offers presets for different devices and platforms, like web, mobile, or HD playback. Choosing a preset can save you time and automatically apply settings that match your target device. Next, click on the Dimensions tab. This is where you'll change your video's resolution. You'll see options to limit or customize the output resolution. For instance, if you want to make sure your file doesn't exceed a specific size or format, you can set a resolution limit such as 1080p or 720p. If you want to allow upscaling, meaning increasing the resolution above the original, select None for the resolution limit and check the Allow Upscaling box. This can be useful if you're preparing videos for large screens or higher display quality. Below that, you'll find the Scaled Size section where you can manually enter your desired width and height. To maintain your video's proper proportions, make sure the automatic box under Final Dimensions is checked. This keeps your aspect ratio consistent and prevents the image from looking stretched or squished. Once your resolution and scaling preferences are set, review the settings to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with the configuration, click the Start Encode button at the top. Handbrake will then process your video, applying the new resolution settings. The conversion time will vary depending on your system's speed and video length. And that's it. You've successfully changed your video resolution in Handbrake. With just a few simple adjustments, you can tailor your video for different devices, platforms, or file size requirements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick editing tips, and leave a comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and happy encoding.